The city of Swansea. The Seagulls of Swansea. Housing roughly 311,000 humans and a population of 1,842,602 seagulls. If it is not the screaming of foxes at dawn, you might be hearing the Swansea seagulls as they rustle in the bin bags and squawk at the night. The common seagull, found elsewhere in the world, stays close to the seaside. They soar high above the blue sky and eat the ocean's fish. But South Wales seagulls seem to behave in a slightly different manner. They enjoy living amongst the humans, for through history they had gained an addiction to their greasy, curry chips. Headlines. Sleep-deprived Swansea residents want action over seagulls which are also attacking their pets. Avoid being mugged by a gull. Seagull caught on camera swallowing entire live rabbit on Skomer Island. Aggressive seagulls are making life a misery in Swansea, with children and pets being attacked by the birds. Here is a Swansea seagull. It seems rather ordinary. A gradient of white, grey and black feathers. Small powerful eyes situated on the side of its head provide a wide peripheral vision. Then its claws, ready to snatch anything out of your hands. Finely in the nose and beak. Its power can smell a burger from a mile away. South Wales seagulls have of course been known to incorporate other delicacies to their appetite, including starfish, alive rabbits, swallowed up whole, rats, crows, pigeons and every now and then small canines. However, in desperate measures some resort in eating each other. These are courageous, loud and ruthless thieves. They sit on a roof to locate an easy target. The next victim. Example, Dan sits at Castle Square. He looks around. No bird in sight. Then, out of nowhere. Whoosh, and his lunch is gone. They are persistent stalkers. In this example Dan turns his gaze and the seagull stops. He turns his gaze again and the seagull stops. Bullies of the sky and ground, as they knock over your Diet Pepsi then fly and scratch your head. Always leave McDonald's looking left to right, and up above. But do not be upset, it is nothing personal. They don't only bully humans, they also bully each other. Here is the Swansea seagull. They watch our every move. We live amongst them and we obey their claws. This is a mockumentary. Please don't harm the seagulls and stop littering.